Hello student, welcome to our English lesson today. And today we are going to learn how to say the time in English. Ready for a fun learning adventures? Okay, let's get started. In today's lessons, I will show you an interactive video about telling the time as our learning media today. I hope you all focus on watching and understanding the context of the video. Okay, begin. And now I will explain in more detail and need some telling the time material to add to our insight. Let's start what the most basic this is clock in English. We use 12 hours of clock. And now let's learn some important terms in telling time. The key words and we need to know are hour, which means hours, and minutes, which mean minutes, and second, which means second. By understanding this word, we can form proper sentence and when saying the time in English. Now, let's learn the time format in English. Usually, we say the hours first and followed by the minutes. Let's look at the example: 9 to 15, and 3 to 30, and 6 past 54. So this notice how the hours and minutes are arranged in the format. And okay, good now. Let's practice identifying the time on an analog clock. Again, with this needle, please start the time indicated by the hours hand out the hour hand. And next, we will use a digital clock and look at the numbers here. Look at the numbers. And can you tell what time this clock is showing? Okay, remember we said the hours first, followed by the minutes. When we talk about time, we also use the terms AM and PM. AM is used for morning to noon, and while PM is used for evening to night. It is important to distinguish the time between morning and evening. And now let's practice identifying whether this time is AM or PM. Please choose the right one according to the situations. Very good. Okay, very good. We are already familiar with the basic concept of saying time in English. So remember to pay attention to the hour and minutes and use of EM and PM when expressing the time that I have been explained to you. Okay, and that's all for lesson today. And thank you very much for participating in this lesson. And I hope you have got it a good understanding of how to say time in English. See you in the next lesson.